If you're dreaming of an all-inclusive getaway where rock and roll meets turquoise waves, the Hard Rock Hotel Los Cabos might just be calling your name. Nestled in the heart of Cabo San Lucas, this property brings the brand's signature music-infused vibe to one of Mexico's most stunning coastal destinations. From the moment you arrive, you'll notice the blend of laid-back beach culture and high-energy entertainment that defines the Hard Rock experience. The resort sits in the Diamante development area, offering guests a polished retreat with easy access to both natural beauty and the buzzing nightlife of downtown Cabo. Whether you're a family looking for adventure, a couple seeking romance, or a group of friends ready to party, this hotel promises a little something for everyone. The rooms and suites at Hard Rock Hotel Los Cabos are designed to keep you comfortable while nodding to the brand's musical heritage. While the official site doesn't break down every room category in exhaustive detail, guests can expect contemporary accommodations with modern amenities and thoughtful touches throughout. Many rooms offer views of the Pacific Ocean or the resort's lush grounds, giving you a front row seat to Baja California Sur's dramatic scenery. The interiors lean into a sleek, rock-inspired aesthetic without going overboard. Think clean lines, bold accents, and enough space to spread out after a day in the sun. Families will appreciate room configurations that can accommodate kids, and the resort does cater to guests with varying needs, though specific accessible room details aren't widely advertised. Smart technology and convenience features are woven into the guest experience, reflecting the brand's commitment to staying current. You'll find reliable Wi-Fi, modern entertainment systems, and well-appointed bathrooms stocked with quality products. The beds are plush, the linen's crisp, and the overall vibe strikes a balance between upscale comfort and casual cool. Whether you're crashing after a late-night concert or waking up early to catch the sunrise over the Sea of Cortez, the rooms provide a solid home base. It's not the most extravagant accommodation you'll ever encounter, but it delivers exactly what most travelers want: a clean, stylish, and comfortable place to recharge between adventures. When it comes to food and drink, Hard Rock Hotel Los Cabos leans into its all-inclusive model with gusto. The resort features multiple dining venues that span a range of cuisines, from authentic Mexican fare to international favorites. You won't go hungry here. Breakfast buffets are generous, lunch options keep things light and fresh, and dinner service ramps up the ambience with themed nights and specialty menus. The chefs clearly take pride in their work, and while you're not dining at a Michelin-starred establishment, the quality is consistently good and the variety keeps things interesting over a week-long stay. Vegetarians, kids with picky palates, and adventurous eaters alike will find something to love. The bar scene is equally robust, with several spots to grab a cocktail, cold beer, or premium spirit without reaching for your wallet. Pool bars keep the party going during the day, while evening lounges offer a more relaxed vibe for sipping margaritas as the sun dips below the horizon. The bartenders know their way around a shaker, and the brand's rock and roll DNA means the soundtrack is always on point. Whether you're in the mood for a tropical frozen drink or a classic tequila neat, the beverage program has you covered. It's the kind of setup that encourages you to try something new each day, and the friendly service makes every round feel like a celebration. One of the highlights of any Hard Rock Los Cabos stay is the pool and beach experience. The resort boasts multiple pools, each with its own personality. Some are geared toward families with shallow areas and water features, while others cater to adults looking for a quieter escape. The main pool area is a social hub, complete with swim-up bars, DJ sets, and plenty of loungers to claim your spot for the day. The vibe is lively without being overwhelming, and the staff circulates regularly to keep drinks flowing and towels fresh. If you prefer a more tranquil scene, smaller pools tucked away in quieter corners offer a serene alternative. Beach access is a major draw, and the resort's location gives you direct entry to soft sand and rolling surf. The Sea of Cortez here is stunning. Clear, warm, and teeming with marine life just offshore. Loungers and palapas line the beach, and the resort provides everything you need for a full day by the water. While swimming conditions can vary depending on tides and currents, the beach is perfect for long walks, paddleboarding, or simply soaking up the sun. Water activities like snorkeling and kayaking are available, and the staff can point you toward the best spots to explore. It's the kind of beach that makes you forget about your email inbox and reminds you why you booked the trip in the first place. Beyond lounging, the resort offers a solid lineup of activities to keep you moving. The fitness center is well equipped with cardio machines, free weights, and space for stretching or yoga. Tennis courts are available for guests who want to rally a few sets, and the resort occasionally organizes friendly tournaments or lessons. Cultural programming pops up throughout the week, from tequila tastings to cooking demonstrations that dive into regional flavors and traditions. The activities team is enthusiastic and always ready to get guests involved, whether that's a beach volleyball game, a dance class, or a sunset hike along the coast. For those who want to explore beyond the resort, the concierge can arrange excursions ranging from deep-sea fishing to ATV desert tour. The surrounding area is rich with opportunities for adventure, and the staff is knowledgeable about what's worth your time. Even if you're not typically the activities type, the variety here makes it easy to step out of your comfort zone. And because it's all-inclusive, you can try new things without worrying about racking up charges. It's a setup that encourages spontaneity, and that's part of the magic of a place like this. The spa and wellness offerings at Hard Rock Los Cabos provide a welcome counterbalance to the high-energy atmosphere elsewhere on the property. The Rock Spa features a menu of treatments that blend traditional Mexican healing practices with modern techniques, from deep tissue massages to facials using local ingredients. The therapists are skilled and attentive, and the treatment rooms are designed to feel like a sanctuary. Whether you're nursing sore muscles from a day of surfing or simply want to indulge in some self-care, the spa delivers a top-notch experience. Couples treatments are especially popular, offering a romantic way to unwind together. Beyond the treatment menu, the spa includes sauna and steam facilities that help you detox and relax. Yoga classes are offered regularly, often on the beach at sunrise or in shaded pavilions overlooking the ocean. The instructors cater to all levels, so even if you've never done a downward dog in your life, you'll feel welcome. Some wellness programming extends to nutrition workshops and guided meditation sessions, giving health-conscious travelers plenty of ways to stay balanced. It's not an over-the-top wellness retreat, but it's more than enough to support a holistic vacation experience. The spa strikes a nice balance between indulgence and accessibility, and it's one of the resort's quieter gems. Families traveling with children will find that Hard Rock Los Cabos has put real thought into keeping the younger set entertained. The Kids Club offers supervised activities throughout the day, from arts and crafts to scavenger hunts and pool games. The staff is energetic and genuinely enjoys working with kids, which makes parents feel confident leaving their little ones in good hands. Teens aren't forgotten either. There's a dedicated lounge with video games, music, and social activities designed to appeal to that tricky age group. Family-friendly pools and dining options mean you can enjoy quality time together without constant compromises. Special events like movie nights, talent shows, and themed parties give kids a chance to make friends and create memories that last long after the tan fades. The resort's layout is safe and easy to navigate, so older kids can enjoy a bit of independence while parents relax nearby. It's the kind of environment where families can genuinely vacation together without anyone feeling bored or left out. And because the resort is all-inclusive, you won't face the usual nickel and diming that can make family travel stressful. Everything from ice cream to activities is covered, which means kids can say yes to fun and parents can say yes without wincing. The location of Hard Rock Los Cabos puts you within easy reach of some of Cabo's most iconic attractions. The famous arch at Land's End, known locally as El Arco, is just a short boat ride away and makes for a stunning photo opportunity. Medano Beach, the area's most popular stretch of sand, is close by and offers a lively scene with beach clubs, water sports, and people watching. Lovers Beach, accessible only by boat, is a more secluded spot perfect for snorkeling and soaking in the natural beauty. The Cabo San Lucas Marina is a hub of activity with sport fishing charters, sunset cruises, and waterfront dining options. If you're interested in culture and art, the town of San Jose del Cabo is about 20 kilometers away and well worth the trip. The art district there comes alive on Thursday evenings with gallery walks, live music, and local crafts. Cabo Pulmo National Park, a marine reserve renowned for its coral reefs and biodiversity, is also within reach for a day trip. The Los Cabos Corridor, the scenic stretch of highway connecting Cabo San Lucas and San Jose del Cabo, is dotted with luxury resorts, golf courses, and breathtaking viewpoints. Downtown Cabo San Lucas offers shopping, nightlife, and a taste of local flavor, all just a quick taxi or shuttle ride from the resort. The proximity to so many attractions means you can tailor your trip to your interests, whether that's adventure, relaxation, or a bit of both. Taking a step back to assess the overall experience, Hard Rock Hotel Los Cabos delivers a solid, crowd-pleasing vacation. Its strengths lie in the all-inclusive value, the variety of dining and activities, and the prime beachfront location. The brand's rock and roll identity is present but not overbearing, adding a fun edge without alienating guests who aren't music superfans. Service is generally friendly and efficient, and the resort's size means there's always something happening without feeling chaotic. On the downside, the sheer popularity of the property can mean crowded pools and restaurants during peak season, and some guests may find the atmosphere a bit too lively if they're seeking total tranquility. The rooms, while comfortable, aren't groundbreaking, and travelers expecting ultra-luxury finishes might be slightly underwhelmed. Similarly, while the food is good, it's not going to blow away seasoned foodies. It's more about variety and convenience than culinary innovation. But these are minor quibbles in the context of what the resort promises and delivers. For most guests, especially families and groups, the trade-offs are well worth it. You're getting a well-rounded, hassle-free vacation in one of the world's most beautiful destinations, and that's a recipe for success. What truly sets Hard Rock Hotel Los Cabos apart is its ability to blend entertainment, relaxation, and accessibility into one cohesive package. The brand's music heritage means live performances, DJ sets, and curated playlists are woven into the daily rhythm, creating an atmosphere that feels alive and engaging. The all-inclusive model removes the stress of budgeting and planning, letting you focus on enjoying your time. The beachfront setting is genuinely spectacular, offering postcard views and endless opportunities for water-based fun. And the resort's family-friendly approach, combined with adult-only zones and nightlife options, means it can accommodate a wide range of travelers without feeling diluted. Another standout feature is the resort's commitment to creating memorable experiences, from themed parties to surprise performances by talented musicians. The staff goes out of their way to celebrate special occasions, whether it's a birthday, anniversary, or honeymoon. These personal touches, combined with the brand's signature energy, make guests feel like they're part of something special rather than just another booking. It's the kind of place that encourages you to let loose, try new things, and make the most of every moment. For those considering the resort for events or conferences, Hard Rock Los Cabos does offer meeting and event facilities. The spaces are modern and well-equipped, suitable for corporate gatherings, weddings, or group celebrations. The events team is experienced in handling everything from intimate ceremonies to larger conferences, and the all-inclusive setup simplifies planning. While it's not the primary draw for most guests, it's a valuable option for those combining business with pleasure or hosting a destination event. Guest experience highlights often center on the little moments that elevate a good vacation into a great one. Many travelers rave about the sunset views from the beach, the quality of the live music, and the genuine warmth of the staff. Bartenders who remember your favorite drink, activities coordinators who go the extra mile to include everyone, and housekeeping teams who leave thoughtful touches in your room. All of these contribute to a sense of being genuinely cared for. The resort's ability to balance high energy with personal attention is one of its greatest strengths, and it's what keeps guests coming back year after year. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give it thumbs up. Subscribe for more travel-related content. If you are not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our best hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.